The Foundations of Geometry by David Hilbert. Chapter 5, Desargues' Theorem.
Section 25, the commutative and the associative law of addition for our new algebra of segments. In this section, we shall investigate the laws of operation as enumerated in Section 13 in order to see which of these hold for our new algebra of segments. When we base our considerations upon a plane geometry in which the axioms group 1, 1, 2, groups 2 and 3 are all fulfilled, and moreover in which Desargues' theorem also holds. First of all, we shall show that for the addition of segments as defined in Section 24, the commutative law a plus b equals b plus a holds. Let a equals OA equals OA prime and b equal OB equals OB prime. Hence, AA prime and BB prime are, according to our conventions, parallel to the unit line. Construct the points A double prime and B double prime by drawing A prime A double prime and B prime B double prime parallel to OA, and also AB double prime and BA prime parallel to OA. We see at once that the line A double prime B double prime is parallel to AA prime, as the commutative law requires. We shall show the validity of this statement by the aid of Desargues' theorem in the following manner. Denote the point of intersection of AB double prime and A prime A double prime by F, and that of B A double prime and B prime B double prime by D. Then, in the triangles A prime F and B prime D, the homologous sides are parallel to each other. By Desargues' theorem, it follows that the 3 points O, F, and D lie in a straight line. In consequence of this condition, the two triangles OA, A prime, and D, B double prime, A double prime lie in such a way that the lines joining the corresponding vertices pass through the same point F. And since the homologous sides OA and DB double prime, as also OA prime and DA double prime, are parallel to each other, then, according to the second part of Desargues' theorem, Theorem 32, the third sides A prime and B double prime A double prime are parallel to each other. To prove the associative law of addition, A plus the quantity B plus C equals the quantity A plus B plus C, we shall make use of figure 44. In consequence of the commutative law of addition just demonstrated, the above formula states that the straight line A double prime B double prime must be parallel to the unit line. The validity of this statement is evident, since the shaded part of figure 44 corresponds exactly with figure 43.
The Foundations of Geometry by David Hilbert. The material contained in the following translation was given in substance by Professor Hilbert as a course of lectures on Euclidean geometry at the University of Göttingen during the winter semester of 1898 and 1899. It was translated by E. J. Townsend, Ph.D., University of Illinois. The text was downloaded from Project Gutenberg with the following notice: this ebook is for the use of anyone, anywhere in the United States and most other parts of the world at no cost and with almost no restrictions whatsoever. Read by Jim Renholt. Programming and illustrations by Jim Renholt. 2019. Portrait of David Hilbert by Rita Ray Renholt. Thank you for listening.